So, hi all, welcome back to Unicorn Activities. Darshna here, and this topic is regarding problem solving skills in our kids. Parents usually used to ask me that at which age we could introduce problem solving skills for a child. So, most probably by 6 to 7 years, the child start analyzing the situations, and we could work on problem solving skills. How do we help the child to develop problem solving skills? We must work on critical thinking. We should also work on creative thinking. We should work on critical thinking and creative thinking. And the most important area is child should start analyzing a problem, which means if we are giving a situation to the child should analyze it, understand the situation, and come up with the solutions. So if we are working with the child on problem solving, it is certain areas that we will be working is like we should give a small task where the child has to do it independently. So while doing the task independently, the child will learn the process, the step-by-step method to finish the task. Child would be learning about the child would face different challenges, and child would learn to overcome these challenges. So it would be very helpful for improving child's problem solving skills. Now, while working on problem solving skills and independent skills, it's also important to understand that when the child is doing task independently, it could be a writing task, it could be a everyday's ADL skills where the child is doing, whenever the child is doing independently, he or she would be doing it by lot many mistakes. So it's also important to understand that child learns by doing mistakes, and it's very common. Many times parents get worried and they say that the child is doing lot many mistakes and what to do. So it is very natural. Please don't get worried and don't look for the perfections. Slowly, when the child learns by multiple mistakes, he is learning to do things independently and correctly. Here, the reason for introducing problem solving skill is I have come up with an activity that you must introduce to the child is analyzing a problem. You show a child a pen and you tell that, see, the pen has dropped down. Do you think it is a big problem or a small problem? Second situation is something like if someone hurts you. So do you think it is a big problem or a small problem? Yeah. You could use pictures here to explain the child to understand if the situation is big or small. So this way you can work on analyzation of problem. So here I have included a video that you can practice. So see, in school while writing you saw that you don't have a pen to write. Okay, so it is a small or big problem? Small. Now tell me, how can you solve this problem?
I'll ask from somebody and write.
Yes, so this is a small problem. Now next it is you getting late for your exam. Today you have exam and you're getting late. So tell me if it is a big or small problem.
Big.
It's a
big problem.
So what will happen if you get late to the exam?
We'll fail.
And you will not be able to
write the exam.
For the exam. So it is a big problem. You lost in the park. You went to play in the park with your father, but you got lost. Big or small?
Big problem.
What will you do then?
I'll ask for someone.
I ask help?
I'll ask help and reach home.
Okay, right. It's a big problem. Now, your mama made ghee rice for lunch. You don't like ghee rice. It's a big problem or small problem?
Big problem.
No, it is not a big problem.
Small
problem, because you can try eating rice little by little, right? Yes, it is a
small problem.
Okay, you drop your pen down. It is a big problem or small problem?
Small problem.
Okay, tell me why.
I just need to take the pen.
Yes, so it is a small problem. And someone hurt you. In school, someone was hurting you. Someone hit you. It's a big problem or small problem?
Big problem.
If such situations happen,
then I'll have to complain.
Yes, you have to complain to whom?
To teacher.
Yes, so this way, the small and big problem you can teach.